Hello everyone. Today I'm just here to introduce new function which is called the Sinc function. Okay, we're gonna explain to you that what is actually the Sinc function. That is a simple function which is constructed by this. This is called the Sinc function, and you can write it as SIN. Then here is the C. This is why this called the Sinc of X. Sinc of x. This is the sinc function, and it's equivalent to this, which is sine x over x. If you divide the value of sine of x over x, then you will get the sinc function. And right now we are going to explain, we are going to show you that how it is looks like. Okay. So first of all, we need to know the two graphs. Okay. You know about the graphs of sine of x, which is looks like just a sinusoidal wave, and we can write this. We can write. You know this, right? The sine function is looks like this. And you can see there is over x, right? So what can you write here? You can write that if I write this sine of x into 1 over x. You can write it, right? You can write this. And this is equivalent to this, right? I'm just multiplying sine of x into 1 over x, which is nothing but this thing, right? And which is also called the sinc of x, right? Sinc function. So I have got the graph of this function from here, but I didn't got the graph of this function, right? This another function you can give me, you can tell. We're multiplying just with the function which is 1 over x, and the graph of 1 over x, which looks like this. We're going to divide this, which looks like this. Okay, so you can see there is a sine wave and there is the graph of the function 1 over x here. So what you need to do right here, you need to multiply the value of sine of x into 1 over x. So what you will get, you need to just see here. I'm considering here the value of x is 1, and here also the value of x is 1. So it is 1 here. So if you multiply the value of this sine wave with this, on that time, the amplitude of the sine wave is multiplying, and the amplitude of the sine wave is also multiplying with the amplitude of this graph, right? So after that, they are multiplying every time their data is being multiplying. The output data is being multiplying with this and this, right? So after that, and if you multiply the values of these two, you will get a figure, you will get a graph like this, and which is called the sinc function, Okay. So this is the all, and thank you everyone. We'll see another new function in the next video. Thank you very much.